Hey, what's up? Welcome to our little back porch slice of heaven, as we like to call it. And I've got my little outdoor fire pit stove going, but sometimes we don't always use it. And I really want to make him like almost serve as a coffee table. But obviously it's hot right now. We can't use it for that, but let me show you what I mean. So yeah, when I put the cover back on, I want to use this as a table, but there's those rocks like I showed you, and I want to put my drink on it, and it's all wobbly. That doesn't work. And then if I want to put my feet on it, these rocks, it hurt my feet. And you know, so normally we put a pillow here, and hey, don't come at me about my socks. These are salmon, they're not pink. If you try to comment, come at me, I'm gonna delete your comments. So anyways, I found, I think, the perfect solution to put under this to help us out. And it's this awesome foam paneling. It's very inexpensive. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I turned this into this. And I'm gonna show you all the details on this episode of Field Treasure Designs. So I take the foam, I set it on top, and I'm just gonna trace around the bottom. Did I connect?
Yep.
All right, cool. So yeah, now I've got this awesome circle, right? Boom. Now we just gotta cut it out. So I grabbed my Stanley hacksaw and took out the blade. It's a 24 tooth blade, and honestly I was just curious if this would work, and after I cut the divot in there and was able to get the blade back and forth, it actually worked out really well. So I just go back and forth, being careful not to cut my hand, and yeah, this circle radius was able to be cut out really easily, so all good. It leaves some jagged edges and some foam bits, but I'm gonna sand that here in a second and then vacuum it all up. Yeah, then I just vacuum it up, get all those loose parts, and then I grabbed my random orbital sander with the vacuum attached, and I have 220 grit sandpaper on there just to soften all those edges. All right, so it's smooth edges and it's a nice circle, so let's go try it out. All right, so got the fire pit. It's obviously cooled off, so don't ever put this on the hot coals of your rocks. So make sure it's nice and cool. Don't burn your house down. So here we go. So we're gonna set this on it. What I like about the project panel here is it should dent in and kind of conform to the rocks a little bit, because these rocks kind of shift around, especially when you put the cover back on. So also I cut it a little bit inside the ring. All right, so the cover's on. Look at this, man, nice and flat. Oh my gosh, this was kind of an experiment, and I'm so glad this worked. I can put my drink on it. We can put plates, a tray, whatever. So this is awesome. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. Hey, don't forget, I've got other videos that if you want to check out, like my outdoor DIY sectional. I've also got plans on how to build this if you want to tackle that project. But yeah, thanks again for watching. If you got comments, shout them out below, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.